This is the Watch Starry 2. It's a beautiful smartwatch. It's got all kinds of controls, as we usually see. Flashlight in this one, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, GPS module in here for all of your activities. Pull out the side, you see date and time and weather and your most recently used apps, notifications sent from your phone. There's all your activity. Yep, you can get summaries. You can get hourlies in all of your different categories and 7-day records. You got last night's sleep information, the chart that goes with it, nap data even if you doze off at work. Don't tell anybody. Heart rate, it'll give you instantaneous reading, minimum and maximum, 24 hours, zones. What more do you want? Blood oxygen? Okay, you got all that too. Min, max, and 7 days. You got stress. Now this is your heart rate variability, and I'm kind of stressed out. I took the watch off and took a break and got calmed down. Look at that. It bounces up and down, gives you your max, minimum, and percentage time throughout the day. And the last card shows you weather in your area, forecast information, and current conditions. Then you can push the buttons. Pressing the bottom button will switch you into your workouts. You can have GPS walking, running, cycling, trail running, even on foot. You got all kinds of different things in here, and you can add even more. But it does have the GPS module in it. Tap the top when you're getting into your app drawer where you got the activities, sleep, all these things you already saw. What can I point out new? A remote shutter. Music player, there's your AI voice, which is Siri and Google, stopwatch, cycling for the ladies, calculator. You got 4 or 5 games in here and overall settings. It's got a bunch of, well, not a bunch, it's got about 5 different watch faces in here. There they are. And you can even download one from several that are on their company store. And I kind of like this one. It's like a newspaper. That was pretty wild. Anyway, this is it. It's the Watch Starry 2, apple-sized shape kind of looking, very lightweight, nice one, and a good price. Check it out.